Well, in a first of its kind challenge, a New York doctor is being sued by the state of Texas for prescribing abortion pills through telemedicine.
News 10 ABC's Karina Dominguez joining us live in the studio with more about what this means for interstate telemedicine. Karina?
That's right. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is the first to challenge the New York State Shield law that's meant to protect reproductive rights after Roe v. Wade was overturned. After that landmark Supreme Court decision in 2022, many states outlawed abortion, while other states adopted measures to protect doctors who provide abortion services. The Shield law is intended to protect providers from being punished for prescribing abortion pills to patients in states with bans, prescriptions that are made online or over the phone. The lawsuit claims a New York doctor violated Texas laws and seeks up to $250,000 and an injunction on that doctor for providing abortion pills to a Texas woman. Attorney and partner at Tully Rinke, Donald Chesworth, sheds light on the situation.
The first question is going to be, is writing a prescription practicing medicine? And if it is, then I think the law clearly prohibits anybody from doing it in a state that they're not licensed in.
Chesworth says there's a second question that will come into play.
Can a doctor write a prescription for a patient who is not a resident of this state where the doctor is licensed?
In 2023, Governor Kathy Hochul signed the bill to provide legal protections to doctors who prescribe abortion pills to out-of-state patients via telehealth.
Our own providers, our New York providers, are threatened by other states, governors, law enforcement officials. This is New York. We don't respond well to threats.
New York Attorney General Letitia James issued a statement saying, "Restricting access to these pills doesn't help Americans, it harms them. That's why we enacted our Shield law, establishing New York as a beacon of reproductive freedom and protecting our providers from out-of-state anti-choice attacks. I will continue to protect people's reproductive rights and access to life-saving health care." Chesworth says this virtual telehealth case is an interesting area of the law that we will likely see more activity around in the future, not only for medical practice, but for all types of professional services. Reporting live in studio, Karina Dominguez, News 10 ABC.